And if he goes down there to live, you can visit him anytime you like. Oh, please, Daddy? Please?
Not a bad idea, Martha.
Quiet down. You shall not die.
But who's gonna save me?
I am.
How?
I'm afraid I'm going to have to figure that out.
Fern! I'm in here.
Mom sent me to get you. It is time for dinner.
Coming. Bye, everybody. And thank you, Charlotte, for whatever it is you're going to do to save Wilbur.
Charlotte? Yes?
向往的远方，精彩的世界，有多少人想要，又有多少人敢要？
You call that a pig? It's more like a rat.
Sit down and eat your breakfast, Avery. Here, Fern, I found our bottle. I'll heat up some milk and you can feed him.
Can't the pigs do that?
No, I only disturb the pigs. No devices. They want to live close to us. Eat.
What's his name, Fern? I don't know yet. My very own pig. Now I have to name you. Fred, no, that's no good. Barney, Herman, Morris, Wilbur? Wilbur! That's it. It's a perfect name. Your name is Wilbur. Hurry up, you two. The school bus is here. I'll be back soon, Wilbur. I promise.
Double R, double R, double R, double F, double C, C.
What kind of acrobat do you think I am?
Sorry, sorry.
Look, here comes Templeton. Maybe he can help.
Templeton only helps himself. What's up?
Did you see the message in the web?
It was there when I went out this morning. It was no big deal.
When you go to the dump, can you bring me back a clipping from a magazine? I can copy the words.
What? What a die!
You'll worry next winter if Wilbur is dead, and you will have all the wonderful socks you've been getting since he's been here.
I'll bring a magazine article back.
Thank you.
Toggles, 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 fries, fries.
Stop! That's enough. I'll go.
Hurry, Charlotte. Someone is coming.
I'm almost finished.
Right this way.
This is Wilbur.
That pig is terrific, just like the web says. But Mr. Zuckerman, that's not what it says on the web. Oh my God! Radiant! Well, you can put this in your newspaper. This pig is going to the county fair. If he can win a blue ribbon, I can guarantee I'll never make bacon or ham out of him.
Please come into the house and have some coffee. You did it. Thank you.
You're going to the fair, but that's only half of it.
What a night! What feasting and carousing! A real gorge! I must have eaten the remains of 30 lunches. It was rich, my friends, rich. But I have some bad news for you. I saw that another pig already won the blue ribbon.
Oh no, I'm so sorry, Wilbur. I'm not.
Come on, everyone. The fair's only once a year. Let's go have some fun ourselves.
Oh, let's say that. This is your
Yes.
Get a picture.
Yes.
Birthday. You gotta get Wilbur up there.
Over right here.
Everybody look over here.
Everybody say pig!
Higher. Pick this guy a little higher.
向往的远方，精彩的世界，有多少人想要，又有多少人敢要
？Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop. That's what I ever been to. Let's go over. This will be a day to tell our grandchildren about.
Get ready to go back and meet the pigs. Please follow her directions, especially the students and children that are.
Where is he going to stay?
Over here.
Come up here. Come on. Here, Gus, you can do that. Have it flat right here.
I've got to stop it. Daddy can't kill it just because it's smaller than the others.
Stop yelling, Finn. Your father knows best. That pig would probably die anyway.
Daddy, please don't kill it. It's unfair.
Vern, I know a little bit more about raising pigs than you do. I'll be dying.
Daddy, please don't kill it. It's unfair.
It's the old sheep. We have a new resident. His name is Wilbur.
Oh yeah, the pig. I overheard the Zuckmans talking about you. They plan to keep you nice and comfortable.
Oh, I am going to like.
向往的远方，精彩的世界，有多少人想要，又有多少人敢要？